Sam and the Magic Garden. Sam is a boy. He lives in a small town. Sam likes to play outside. One day, Sam finds a new path in his backyard. He decides to follow it. Sam walks and finds a garden. The garden has many flowers and big trees. There is a pond with fish. Sam is happy to see the garden. In the garden, Sam sees a small door. The door is at the bottom of a big tree. Sam opens the door. Inside, he sees a fairy. "Hello, Sam," the fairy says. "Welcome to the Magic Garden." Sam is surprised. He asks, "Who are you?" The fairy says, "I am Lily. I take care of the garden." Sam wants to help Lily. Lily gives Sam a watering can. "Please water the flowers," Lily says. Sam waters the flowers. The garden looks more beautiful. Birds and butterflies come to the garden. Sam feels happy. Sam says, "Thank you, Lily. I had fun today." Lily smiles and says, "You can come to the Magic Garden any time. Be kind to nature." Sam waves goodbye to Lily. He walks home, feeling happy.